Hi there, guys. Welcome back. This is Kishore here, founder and CEO of Trade Achievers. So, in today's topic, what we are going to discuss about is the top three picks of the month of September. So, let's look at what it is. The first pick of this month will be Intellect Designs. So, why I'm going to choose this is as you can see, this area is acting as a very strong level of support. Around 590 is acting as a strong support. And when you come to the daily time frame, the market has formed a proper inverted head and shoulder pattern. And it has also broken the previous the neckline levels as well. So as you can see from this, the market has broken the neckline levels, and after the breakout, it has clearly given a retest as well. So my suggestion is, in case if you're going to buy, you can go for a buy above once the market is able to close around 715 range. So in case if you're a aggressive trader, you want to go for a buy immediately, so no issues, you can go immediately. But whereas if you want to go for a conservative way of an entry, then it is better to go like buy after the market breaks and closes around 716, 720 ranges. So that will be a good amount to invest in. And what I'm expecting is a target of the previous high, and the target may give you a return on investment of around 23 percentage. So that's a very good return. So this is my expectation on the first script of Intellect Designs. And the second thing what I'm thinking is the second topic will be Sumitomo Chemicals. Now, why I'm choosing this is because this area was acting as a very strong level of support, as you can see. So this one was a very strong level of resistance, and now this area is acting as a strong level of support. And apart from this, what we have is a trend line, and so the formation is like a descending triangle. So as I can see from the market, what I'm expecting is once the market is able to close above the ascending triangle, then we can go for a buy. And that is going to give a good amount of returns. And the target, what I'm expecting is around 480 to 490. So that is my expected target. So 480 to 490, I'm expecting as target. And my suggestion is, if you want to buy, just try to buy once the trend line is broken or it closes above 420 in the daily chart. So once the market is able to close above 420, we can go for a buy, and this will be the very strong level of support. If the support has been breached, it is not safe to hold for a long term. Sorry, not for a short-term swing traders, it is not safe to hold. But in case if you're a very long-term investor, like for let's say I am going to invest it for 6 months or 1 year or 2 years, then no issues. Even if the market comes down and gets you like 10% in the drawdown, and then starts to move up, you can definitely hold the positions for a long time investor perspective. So it's a very good stock, and I'm expecting a target of 480 to 490. So once market closes above 420, it's a very good time to buy the stock. All right. And the third top pick of the month is NMDC. So why I'm choosing this is, so the market, as you can see, is in a very bullish trend, and this was acting as a very strong level of support. This area is acting as a strong level of support, and as you can see, the previous levels, now these areas was acting as a very strong level of resistance, and the market has broken it, and now this area has become a very strong level of support. And one more thing is, the market has given a perfectly a 50% retracement value of the stock, and I'm expecting the market to start its uptrend. And another confirmation is the trend line, which was there for a long time, has been broken now. Even the trend line has been broken, and I'm expecting a huge potential in the buy side. So my suggestion is, you can buy it around 140. Now aggressive traders can buy it immediately. In case if you're a conservative trader, you want to wait for some more time, you can always buy at 130 at a conservative price. And the overall target, what I'm expecting from this is, it may go up to 230 to 280, and that is my expected target for a long time investors who are going to wait for like 1 or 2 years to hold the stock. This will be a very good stock, because I'm expecting like more than 100% return on the investments in a coming few years. So in case if you're going for a long term, this is a very good stock. All right. So these are my top 3 picks for the month of September. And one more advice is that see, these are given for educational purpose and to show and prove to you that the technical analysis works. So in case if you're going to take a trade, try to analyze your own things and ask your financial advisor whether you are going to take a trade. So just don't go blindly and try to take a trade. Try to do your homework and try to do your analysis. And then if it convinces you, then you can start to take a trade in this as well.
All right, guys. So this is the top 3 picks for this month, and use proper risk and reward managements. And in case if you want to go and discuss with your financial advisor, or you try to do your technicals as well. So the thing why I'm posting this is to show you that technical analysis works. So that is the core purpose of this. So try to understand this and try to analyze for yourself and try to take a trade and make some good profits. So my best wishes, and I hope this video was useful, and thank you very much for joining. Take care.